Hey guys, I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. Welcome to my channel. I share tips, tricks, and tutorials for the modern quilter. And if you have been around for a little bit, or if this is your first time, there's something you should know about me. I love to have a good time. I love to laugh. I love to smile. I love to have a good time. And I would like to invite you on a little journey with me. This is going to be like a no stress, chill sew along, because I'm kind of one to break rules, not exactly follow them. I'm gonna be real loose with the rules on here, okay? But don't worry, there's gonna be some structure. I would love to invite you to do a sew along with me, okay? I am going to give you a few parameters, and then the rest is completely up to you. So here's what I'm gonna do. I am going to post several videos for this project. I don't know how many videos I'm gonna do yet, but we're gonna do some videos for this project. I want you to follow along with me from home. Yes, I'm gonna tell you everything that you need to know, but just let me hear me out first. Let me share with you what the idea is, okay? So I had a subscriber contact me and ask me to do a sew along with her, and I think that's fantastic. I love it. So the challenge is this. We're going to start with a fat quarter pack of fabric. This one is the one that we chose to start with. This is Anna Maria Horner's, and this is her newest line called Brave, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you the fabrics in this are absolutely beautiful. They're bright, they're fun, they're happy, they are everything that you want in a, holy cow, that is a bright quilt, right? They're everything that you want in a quilt that says that. Now, the rest of the project is gonna be up to you. So, if you would love to do this with me, I am going to cheer you on as we make this quilt together, okay? It's gonna be a 6-week project. I am going to have emails that cheer you along, share what I'm doing in my process, my project as well, and I want you to make something with these fabrics. I'm gonna tell you straight up, I'm gonna make a quilt. I don't know what pattern yet, but I am going to make a quilt. I have a few ideas. Don't you worry, I have a few ideas. If you would love to make a quilt with me, I would absolutely love to have you. So make sure that after you watch this video, if you're like, you know what? Yes, let's do it. Let's do this. I want to make a quilt with Kristen from ISeeStarsQuilting. I love to chat with other quilters. I love to see what it is that you make, the beautiful things that you create. So what you'll need to do is you're going to go in the description box down below this video, and I want you to fill out the form that is on that link. Okay, that is going to enter you into doing this contest with me. Like I said, I have kind of a few emails that I want to send out just to kind of keep you on track, let you know where I'm at and what I'm doing for this project. And it also gives me a way to contact you so that you can see what it is that I'm doing, where I am in the process, and kind of keep each other on the same track, right? If you haven't had anyone to push you in a while, this is good motivation. This fabric is beautiful. It's going to be a fun quilt. What you do with this fabric is up to you. I think it'd be really fun, and I would love to have you on this trip with me. So what do you say? Do you want to join me in this quilt project? I would love it if you would. So that is the basics of a sew along. I told you there's not like a whole lot of rules to this one because I want to keep it loose. I don't want to stifle your creativity, but let's make some quilts together. Let's share them. Let's, you know, see what all the different things that you can do with the same type of fabric. And then if you want to send me pictures along the way, I'll see if I can feature those in my videos so that you get your little like moment of fame on YouTube too, right? How fun is that? So you get to see my progress. I'll get to see your progress. It's gonna be really, really fun to follow along and see together. And don't worry, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a head start so you can order your fabric and make sure that you have it in stock and ready to cut and play with and have a wonderful, wonderful time. I can tell you that I have a few projects in the works right now. Check out this project right here. Yeah, that's a lot of pieces that need to be cut. That's a lot of tiny pieces, and that's a lot of sewing. That's also a lot of, I didn't really think it through when I read the pattern, and I thought, oh, that's easy. I can cut those. That'll be so fun. It's a lot of work. So this quilt with the Anna Maria Horner fabric is probably not gonna be that tiny piece, just because I got enough of that in my life right now. But I am thinking something very scrappy looking, very fun, very vibrant. Well, I mean, look at this. You can't go anything but a lot of color in this, so it's gonna be a good one. But please join me on this. I would absolutely love it. Make sure you fill out the form down below so that you get all of the information and you can stay on track with me during this project. I can't wait to see the wonderful things that you're gonna create. I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.